Dear friends, today in this segment of personality development, we are going to explore a very important skill, that is critical thinking. So let's explore.
Critical thinking is the ability to analyze facts to form a judgment. It is a way of thinking in which you don't simply accept all arguments and conclusions you are exposed to, but rather have an attitude to involving questions such arguments and conclusions. The main components of critical thinking are analysis, interpretations, evaluation, inference, explanation. Now the next skill is problem solving. So first question is, what is problem solving? Problem solving is the process of finding solutions to difficult or complex issues. First, you identify the problem, then analyze the problem, generate solutions, select the best solution, implement the solution, and evaluate the results. Now let's discuss the relationship between critical thinking and problem solving. So critical thinking is the foundation for effective problem solving. It helps in breaking down complex problems and generating creative solutions. Critical thinkers question assumptions, which leads to better problem identification and more effective solutions. Critical thinking and problem solving are essential skills in both personal and professional life. And next is decision making. Decision making is a complex process. Some decisions are made after careful deliberation, some are made more hastily, some are made through our own will, some under the pressure of others. Our past experiences determine many of the decisions we make. The main steps of decision making are: identify the problem, gather and analyze the relevant data, postulate solutions to the problem, analyze the implications of each alternative, select and act on the best alternative, follow up and modify the approach if necessary. Let's go through with the case study. In a small town in India, there was a high school student named Ravi. Ravi was a bright student. His family was struggling financially and there was immense pressure on him to drop out of school and start working to support his family. This situation presented Ravi with a tough decision. Should he leave the school to help his family, or should he continue his education to pursue better future? Each option had significant consequences. If he left school, he could immediately contribute to the family's income, but he would lose the opportunity for higher education and better career prospects. If he stayed in school, his family would continue to struggle financially, but he could potentially secure a stable and well-paying job in the future. Ravi spoke with his teachers who advised him on the long-term benefits of education. He also consulted with his parents and older siblings who discussed the immediate financial needs of the family. Ravi researched potential scholarships and financial aid options that might allow him to continue his education without putting too much strain on his family. He also looked into part-time job opportunities that could help him earn some money while still attending school. Ravi continued his education while working part-time, balancing his studies and job responsibilities. Over time, his academic performance remained strong. His decision to stay in school paid off, as he was able to secure a well-paying job after completing his higher education. This not only lifted his family out of financial difficulties, but also set a positive example for his younger siblings and other students in the community. Ravi's story is a powerful example of how making right decision in the face of difficult problems can lead to a long-term success. He overcame immediate challenges and created a better future for himself and his family. His decision-making process testifies to the importance of perseverance, strategic thinking, and willingness to take risks.